lang. Ayan. How was it na you're part of Chasing the Wild and malapit na ka na rin i-introduce yan for another lead role?
Sobrang happy kasi nga this time they'll see more of fun better. Kasi di ba sa Safe Skies parang naging best friend lang talaga ni Jerome. But this time mas makikita na nila yung complications ng family, yung kung paano ko itratuin yung stepsister ko na si Haya, and yung iringan namin ng dad ko. So yeah, they'll see more fun better. Kaya mas excited ako.
And Joy, quick reaction na lang since you're a friend with Hashtag Ross, na ngayon ko sa
Yeah,
Mika
syempre,
de la Cruz.
I'm happy for them dahil, you know, sabi ko entering that chapter is iba yun, mabigat yun kasi pagkaasawa na yun at pagkakatanan ng pamilya eventually, but I'm happy for them, and alam mo yun, sino pa naman hindi gusto marating yun. So yeah, good luck, and yun lang.
Any reaction na may going bulilit na uli?
Never ako nag-going bulilit eh.
Ay, di ba?
Never ako
Sorry,
nag-going bulilit, but I'm happy for the kids. At least they get to have the opportunity to show their talents once again. Diba? But yeah. Thank you.
Thank you!
For me, kasi I guess, we're on our third book and it's working with the first two directors was great. And I actually haven't met Directo. Hello po. Kasi wala ako nung nakita. Hi, I'm Nicole. Ngayon lang kami nag-meet. But I've heard amazing things from Gab and Haya, and I'm very, very excited to work. And yun nga po, as everybody said, then marami kaming natututunan, and that's something we're all excited about. And ayun, eventually nagiging close din naman. Sana maging close din namin si Directo, and maging trauma kaming lahat. Wow, ayun, yun ang naman po.
Actually, tama naman lahat ng sinabi nila. Ako personally, ginilay ko nila-look forward is yung bagong director na makakatrabaho. Sa dami ng mga director na nakatrabaho, sobrang dami ko rin natutunan. So, working with new directors pa rin is sobrang parang privilege namin para mas matuto bilang artista. And si Director, nakatrabaho ko na siya 2 years ago. And maganda rin naman yung naging outcome ng work namin. So yeah, it's always a good thing na makatrabaho ka. Kasi sabi nga nila, bagong flavor na, di ba? Ano ang flavor? Tinatanong ko sila kanila. Pero bagong flavor, bagong experience, bagong learning para sa bawat isa. No, it's a collaboration project, collaborate